So the first time I saw Figure 4, I thought we have our hands on a technology that can help our manufacturers bridge the gap between low volume injection molding and prototyping. That's key for product development and really product launch. 3dprintedparts.com was founded in 2015, and it's a division of Scarlett Incorporated. Figure 4 standalone fits really well into our product portfolio in that it's simple to use, it's office friendly, it's a hand pour system, so we really only have to allocate the amount of material that we're going to use for the job. Incredibly simple setup of the parts. It's just a real nimble machine for us. Figure 4 and 3D Sprint are a godsend. They work really well together. The support generation is phenomenal. Really, the machines worked right out of the box. You uncrate it, plug it in, connect it to the network, add some material, and you're ready to roll. So the first project we had with Figure 4 standalone was really a grand slam from our perspective. Our customer brought a part into us that they had been struggling to 3D print. They needed 30 other parts with a very fast turnaround. So both parts were printed in a draft mode, but with FDM style 3D printing, there are very noticeable layer lines and even some part defects. With Figure 4, they didn't experience any of that. Parts flowed smoothly and they realized zero interruptions on their line. When I delivered these parts to the customer, they were dumbfounded. They went from this to this in a matter of 2 days, and they couldn't believe these parts were 3D printed. We absolutely love Figure 4. It's fast, it's simple, it's inexpensive, it's reliable. I've had 2,000 parts in that one build failure. You can't say that with other machines.